In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the module 2, which is differential calculus 2. So, previous module we have seen the differential calculus 1, and now we are going to see the differential calculus 2. So, first thing we are going to see the introduction, and then we are going to see the topic under for the differential calculus is Taylor series expansion. So, Taylor's and Maclaurin series expansion of for a function of one variable. So, it is generally Taylor's and Maclaurin's both the series and expansions which you can able to which you are going to expand in terms of differentiation, and we are going to write in terms of a series. So, first we will see the formula of your Taylor series expansion, which is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a plus h squared by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus h cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus etc. plus h power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial into f power n minus 1 of a. So, now here what is that here f dash, f double dash etc. up to f n dash of a are the derivatives of f of x at the particular point of a, and h is nothing but it is a step length, which is h will be calculated by x minus a. In other words, we can able to write directly without using your h, which is f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a the whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus etc. So, this equation is called as a Taylor series expansion about the point of a. If in same Taylor series expansion, we can able to write the Maclaurin series in the particular cases of your Taylor series. Suppose if a is equal to 0, so what is that? A is equal to 0, then Taylor Maclaurin series, that is a is equal to 0 in the above equations we can substitute. So, here f of x will go f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x squared by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus etc. You can see the previous equation. So, which is I have a to be replaced as a 0. So, what is that? X minus 0 will be having an x alone, then f dash of 0. That's what has been written here. Similar for a second. What is that I have? X minus a the whole squared I have, that will be x squared by 2 factorial. Plus, similar for a third term, it will go up to a series plus etc. So, similar here also, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0 are the derivatives of the particular point a is equal to 0. We need to find here in the f of x, we will calculate your f dash of x, f double dash of x and so on. And after that derivation, we are going to replace x is equal to 0. You will get that all the successive values, that means f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, all those things we will get. So, we will go for the example to understand more about with the topics. So, the first example, expand log of secant x up to the terms contain x power 4 using Maclaurin series. So, this question is asked in the VTU exam in 2016 July and also the December 2010. So, the what is given? F of x is log of secant x. Okay. So, y is equal to f of x. Same concept, f of x is log of secant x. The question is asked to do that term contain up to x power 4 using the Maclaurin series. So, up to x power 4 means we need to find up to the 4th degree term. So, write formula up to the 4th degree. What is that formula? F of x is equal to f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus x power 4 by 4 factorial into f 4 dash of 0 plus etc. So, here first thing we need to find all the derivatives, and immediately I am going to find by replacing a 0, I am going to find a value. So, what is that? F dash of x is log of secant x. What is that? 1 by secant x. And then what is that? Secant x's differentiation is secant x into tan x. So, that will give secant x tan x by secant x, which is equal to tan x. Secant will get cancelled. So, now f dash of x is tan x. F dash of 0 is tan 0 will be 0. And then next coming for f double dash of x. What is that? Tan x differentiation will be secant squared x, which is f double dash of 0 is secant 0 the whole square, which is equal to 1. And f triple dash of x is 2 into x power n formula, right? So, n into x power n minus 1, 2 into secant x. Again, secant x differentiation will be secant into tan. So, we will have a 2 secant squared x into tan x. So, f triple dash of 0, immediately you can substitute. So, what will happen? It will be also will go for 0. The next thing, we need to find here fourth derivative. So f4 dash of x is 2 into secant squared x into, so it will be having a, see what is that, I have in the product rule. So first thing, 2 into secant squared x into tan x differentiation is secant squared uv, right, u into dv, plus what is that, tan x into secant squared x will be 2 secant squared x into tan x. Secant x differentiation will be tan x. So now what will happen, just you can simplify and then you can write a tan, you can take inside, it will become 2 tan squared x into secant squared x. Substitute 0. So again 2 of tan, wherever is there it will be a 0, secant 0 will be a 1. So we'll be having 1 plus 0 is equal to 2. So now and substitute the values in the equation number 1. Can substitute, you will be having x squared, then first one 0, f of 0, then x into f dash of 0 is also 0. Next one, x squared by 2 into 2 factorial, it is 2 factorial is 2, right, into f double dash of 0 will be a 1, and then f triple dash 0 and f 4 dash is 2. Now you can get only two terms, which is x squared by 2 plus x power 4 by 12. Okay, so now the next example, number 2, expand log of 1 plus x up to the term containing x power 4 using the Maclaurin series. So what is that, which is f of x is log of 1 plus x. You can consider the Maclaurin series expansion up to the 4 terms as usual like a previous one. So you can write a formula as per the Maclaurin series expansion. What is your f of x? It's log of 1 plus x. So substitute x is equal to 0. So log 1 will be a 0. So f dash of x, log x will be a 1 by 1 plus x, and then 1 plus x differentiation will be a 1. So f dash of 0 is 1 by 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So f double dash, it's like 1 by x. What is it? 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x squared. So instead of x, you have 1 plus x, the whole square. So f double dash of 0 will be minus 1. So now f triple dash of x, 2 by 1 plus x the whole cube. So what is that? F triple dash of 0, which is equal to 2 by 1 plus 0 the whole cube, which is equal to 2. F 4 dash of x is minus 6 by 1 plus x the whole power 4. So what is that? Same process like the differentiation. So what is that? Minus 6 by 1 plus x the whole power 4 minus, which is will give minus 6. So if you want, you can write it for one explanation I'll give. So when you have a 2 into, I can write it 1 plus x the whole power minus 3, right? For f triple dash to f4 dash I'll explain. So what is that? 2 into minus 3 into 1, like differentiation of x power n. What is that? N into x power n minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 will be a minus 4. So this will be a minus 6 by 1 minus x into whole power 4. So that is what has been written here. Minus 6 into 6 by 1 plus x the whole power 4. So now on substituting this in the formula, I am getting at x minus x squared by 2 plus x power 3 by 3 minus x power 4 by 4. Okay, we'll go with one more example. It is log of 1 plus sin x, which term contain x3. So in the Maclaurin series, so we have to use the Maclaurin series and the term contain up to the third derivative. You have to do up to 3 derivatives. So you can write as usual as a formula. Then you have to consider your f of x is log of 1 plus x. So log 1 is equal to 0. Substitute here x is equal to 0. And then f dash of x, what is that? Log of 1 plus sin x will be 1 by 1 plus sin x, and 1 plus sin x will go for cos x. So f dash of 0 is cos 0 by 1 plus sin 0, which is equal to 1. Then we can, what we are going to do that, little changes. You can do it like this also, but it will become a u by v. So to avoid it, I can use it a product rule, which will be easy to do. Comparatively the quotient rule, the product rule will be easy to do that. So I'm going to choose in 1 plus sin x in the left side into f dash of x is equal to cos x. So now you can differentiate this. 1 plus sin x into f dash will be f double dash of x, plus f dash of x into sin x will be a cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay. So now in this equation x is equal to 0, you can substitute f double dash of 0 plus f dash of 0 already I know, which is the value is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. Sin 0 will be a 0. Then f double dash of 0 will give is equal to minus 1. Now You can take it again the differentiation of that equation which is recently got it. Same thing, it's a product rule. See, you have to use the product rule for first two and then second two also. So what will happen, two times you have to use the product rule, it will become a four terms. 1 plus sin x into f triple dash of x plus 2 into cos x of f double dash of x and then minus of. So it will become a two terms here. When you do this, f double dash of x into this term will be a sin x will be a cos x you will get. Okay, so that will become a two terms. That's what is written, 2 cos x into f double dash of x and minus of sin x into f dash of x is equal to, right side will become minus cos x. Now substitute x is equal to 0 and you will be getting the value of f triple dash of 0 is equal to 1. Now substitute that all the three derivative equations in the Maclaurin series expansion. You will be getting the solution as x minus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 6. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.